Ka Sarkar jylla kala Meghalaya banthaw ka State Seed Certification Agency na marakam manchwa yakane ka certification na le na jylla Assam. Nre mentha ka Sarkar jylla kala rai bandon ya ka Seed Certifying Agency. Kaman ajing bid ne ki certificate ya kinong rap kinong penmi ba kinong sengkam ha kabakin la ban penmi ki Symbai ba ki tenrai ba ban chalan pat sya ka Sarkar jylla ne kinong rap. Kani kan penting kena bagi nong rep kinyo ekalat bagi kinyo Pahuh ke Symbai beper ke jing bah jong ki Symbai bagador jong ki Symbai ke bagi kinyo ru kan nong hakador ke babiang bah.
We have also decided to establish the State Seed Certification Agency in Meghalaya. As you're aware that the availability of seeds, the quality of the seeds, the quantity of the seeds, and the time of availability of the seeds is very critical for farmers. Earlier, the certification of these agencies used to be done from Assam because we did not have a certifying agency. So therefore, today we have decided to come up with a certifying agency which will then certify different farmers, entrepreneurs, producers who can then produce seeds, saplings, and then further supply it to the state government or to the farmers. This is a very important step as it will ensure that the farmers are able to then get adequate supply of different seeds. The quality of the different seeds would be good and the price at which they would get it would also be good.